Hello, readers! How are you today? Baby Echo and I are doing great, and we're so excited about everything we're going to do today, especially these 5 new cards we added yesterday. So, what do you say? Let's get started and review those digraphs. CK sock. Good. When Echo looks at you, repeat what I said. SH ship. Shh. TH thumb. CH chin. Ch. WH whistle. And let's go on to these cards now. A apple A. B B. D D. E ed E. I itch I. J J. O octopus ah. Q U qu. U up X x. CH ch. TH. Great job. And now for our trick words. Remember, try to beat me and say the word before I do. Are you ready? As has. Is his. And. Did you read that upside down? Wow, I can't believe you can read upside down. The. Of. A. And remember, to me, this is the trickiest trick word of all because neither of the letters sound their usual way. O says in this word, and F says v, of. Okay, my friends, let's see if you can tap and read these words that I build. Do, do, do. I'm starting with a digraph, adding a vowel, and ending with a consonant. Elbows up, here we go. Sh, sh, t, shut. Give me a sentence with shut. Be kind with your sentence. Shut the door. Good. Okay. See if you can read this one. Go ahead. You try tapping it out and tell me this word right here. What is it? Okay, watch me do it. Ah, rock, rock. You rock. All right, ready for another word? Here we go. What does it say? Dock. That's right, dock and rock. Those words rhyme. What would happen if I put an S in front of the ock? Now what would we have? Sock. Very good. They rhyme too. Okay, my friends. I want to teach you something a little bit new. Are you ready? Okay. You need to go get your magnet board. Ready? Go. And I call it a magnet board, but you know at home it's really the Velcro board. Okay, right now you have these tiles on. You need to go inside your little baggie and add all of the digraphs. Okay? I want you to add your digraphs. You should have open Velcro spots that you can put them on. And remember, they go in this order. WH goes first, it only comes at the beginning. CK comes last, it only comes at the end of a word. And then we put these three in order of their first letter. That's called ABC order. C, then S, then T. Okay, pause here until you get your board looking like mine. Okay, now that you're back, we're going to do a little echo find letters. So repeat after me. What says shh? Say shh. Okay, point to it. What letters say shh? Yeah, you should be pointing to SH says shh, like ship. Very good. Repeat after me. What says th? What are the letters' names? TH. Very good. And I have mine up like this, but you can have it on your table or on the ground if you're laying on your belly. Whatever you do to keep it as neat and tidy as you need to. Okay, let's try another. What says ch? Ch, like chin. What are the letters' names? CH. Very good. Okay, get ready. What says w? You should be pointing to two things. With my pinky, I'm pointing to the WH, and with my thumb, I'm pointing to the W. There's two ways to make the W sound. Okay, one more. What says k? All the ways. There's three. One, CK. Two is the K, and three is the C. Can you touch all three of them? You might need to use two hands. Great job. Okay, now you're going to build a word. Let's try the word shop. Let's tap it out. Sh, ah, p. What's that first sound? Yeah, SH. So let's go ahead and find the SH. Remember, you keep your board down, and if the Velcro were to start to come off, just stick it down. And when you do this, you're gonna just kind of have it all flat and just put them down here on the bottom. SH, then what's the next sound? We said ah. What letter says ah, like octopus? Very good. And then what did we hear at the end of the word shop? What says P? And then we put it together like so to make our word shop. How many tiles are there? How many sounds? Three. How many taps did we do? Shh. Three. The taps match the sounds, which match the number of tiles. How many letters in the word shop? Four, because of our digraph. Okay, let's spell it away together. S-H, put it back in the correct spot. O-P. Okay, from now on, I'll build mine up here, but you keep building on your board. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Chin. Let's tap. Ch, I, n. Let's build it. What makes that ch sound? Okay, let's tap out chin. Ch, I, n. Try to build that on your own right now. Ch, ch, ch. What says ch? Do the middle sound and the ending sound. And if you get stuck, you can look up at mine. Okay, did you finish your word? Let's spell it out loud together. C-H-I-N. Chin. Can everyone point to their chin? That makes me think of the big bad wolf who says, oh no, it's the three little pigs that say, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. Okay, let's spell it away and put them back in the right spot on your tile boards. C-H-I-N. All right, are you ready for another one? Great. Repeat after me. Thud. Do you know what a thud is? It's like a loud noise when you drop something and it makes a loud bang. It's a thud. Pause here, tap out thud and build it. And then press play when you want to check with me. You're back. Okay, show me how you tapped thud. What came first? TH. What was the vowel sound? Uh, like up. U, thud. I'm going to look for the drum first. D. There we go. There's our word. Thud. Let's spell it away. TH. U, D. Okay, great job, everybody. You can put your Velcro board away and go get your whiteboard. We're going to just practice a few sounds and words. Are you ready? Okay, everyone should have their handy dandy whiteboard. And we're going to start by doing 3 sounds. Okay, here's your first one. Repeat after me. Write the letters that say. If you need more time, pause. Otherwise, check with mine. Make sure your T and your H are both touching the sky. Those are skyline letters. Okay, let's go down to the next line for our next sound. Actually, you know what? Yeah, next line. Repeat after me. K. Write all the ways to do K. There's 3 ways. Try to get them all. Pause if you need more time. And when you're ready, check with me. Look at the 3 ways. C says K like cat. K says K like kite. And sock says K at the end. CK says K. Okay, we'll do one more sound down here. Repeat after me. Eh, ed, eh. Write the letter that says eh. Did you write E says eh? Very good. Let's go ahead and erase our boards and do some words. Okay, everybody. First word, repeat after me. Rush. I'm always in such a rush. Let's tap it out. Sh. Sh. Pause here until you're done and then come back and check. Is there a digraph in this word? How do you mark a digraph? Yeah, we underline it to show that it's one sound. 2 letters, 1 sound. Go ahead and mark your digraph. Okay, here's our next word. Shop. Let's tap it. Sh, ah, p. Pause and write it. If you're back, you must be done. Is there a digraph in this word? Go ahead and mark it. Look at that. We had sh in both of our words. In this word, it was after the vowel. In this word, it was before the vowel. Cool. Let's go down to the next line and do one more word. Repeat after me. Rich. I'm feeling rich today. Let's tap it. Ich. Pause and spell it. You're back. You must be done. Underline the digraph. Mark that digraph. Okay, check yours to mine. Fix up any mistakes you need to fix. Pause if you need more time to fix them. And let's read our words. Rush, shop, rich. Can you pick a word and tell me a sentence? Ooh, nice sentences. You used all 3 in a sentence? I'm so rich that I'm going to rush to the shop and buy everything. Okay, guys, go ahead, erase all those words, and we're going to end with 2 trick words. Repeat after me. As. Write as. Pause if you need more time. And go to the next line and write has. Who knows where you can look if you don't know how to spell those? That's right, in your student notebook. Okay, check yours to mine. How did you do? Fix it up if you need to. And read them with me. As, has. Sounds like zzz at the end. All right, great job today, guys. Erase your whiteboards and keep them clean.